Hello everyone, welcome to my channel SHEEFA's CHARMS. I'm SHEEFA Nigar. Hope you're having a nice day. Today we are going to discuss about immunobiology. As we know, knowing about immune system nowadays is very important as we are going through a pandemic situation. So let's dig in. Immunology is the study of immune system and is a very important branch of the medical and biological sciences. The immune system protects us from infections through various lines of defense. It includes the study of how the body fights infections from bacteria, virus, and other microorganisms. It also helps in understanding the development of medical interventions to treat and prevent diseases. If the immune system is not functioning well as it should, it can result in diseases such as autoimmunity, allergy, and cancer. It is important to have good immunity as to have good health. Then let's know about why is immunology important. From Edward Jenner's pioneering work in 18th century that would ultimately lead to vaccination in its modern form to the many scientific breakthroughs in the 19th and 20th century that would lead to. As we know, Edward Jenner has created vaccine for smallpox through other diseases. Amongst other things, the safe organ transplantations, the identification of blood groups, and now ubiquitous use of monoclonal antibodies throughout science and healthcare, immunology has changed the face of modern medicine. Immunological research continues to extend horizons in our understanding on how to treat significant health issues. It helps in emerging vaccines, and it's also helped in emerging pathogens for viruses such as Ebola. We should learn about immunity so we can take care of ourselves and protect us from being ill. Let's know about our immune system. The immune system is a complex system of structures and processes that has evolved to protect us from diseases. The function of these components is divided up into non-specific mechanisms, those which are innate to an organism, and responses which are adaptive to specific pathogens. Let's know about innate immunity and adaptive immunity. Innate immunity is the first line of defense and is non-specific. Innate immunity includes physical barriers, example skin and saliva, and cells such as macrophages, neutrophils, basophils, etc. Skin is the first barrier which helps us from getting ill. That means it doesn't allow microorganisms to enter our body directly. These are ready to go cells, but in some cases they may not be successful in beating disease cells. So in this time, second line of defense kicks in. Let's know about adaptive immunity. Adaptive immunity is the second line of defense which involves building up memory of encountered infections. This immunity includes antibodies which generally target foreign pathogens roaming free in the bloodstream. Also involved are T cells which are directly towards pathogens that colonize other cells and kill infected cells. This also helps control the antibody response. Adaptive immunity kill infected cells in many ways. Let's know about immunodeficiency, dysfunction, and clinical immunology. Immune dysfunction is a highly regulated and balanced system, and when the balance is disturbed, diseases can result. Research in this area involves studying diseases that is caused by immune system dysfunction. Immune dysfunction lead to new therapies and treatments for their particular diseases that can manage cure irrespective of immune system. As for vaccine, to create more antibodies in our body to fight against the diseases. These are types of dysfunctions. Immunodeficiency. Immunodeficiency disorders involve problems with the immune system that impair its ability to mount an appropriate deficiency. Immunodeficiency is two types again. It is primary immunodeficiency and secondary immunodeficiency. Primary immunodeficiency is a deficiency that comes from the birth or hereditary. And secondary immunodeficiency develops in life after. Autoimmune diseases. Autoimmune diseases occur when the immune system attacks the body that it is supposed to protect. And again, disease is also two types: primary autoimmune disease and secondary autoimmune disease. Primary autoimmune disease develops from birth or develops in early life, and such deficiency is type 1 diabetes and related to those. Secondary autoimmune diseases manifest later in life due to various factors. This includes rheumatoid arthritis and other things. Allergies. Allergies are hypersensitive disorders that occur when the body's immune system reacts against harmful foreign substances, resulting in damage to the body occurs. It is formed many ways, at least by eaten things such as peanuts. Peanuts is the common way of getting allergies in our bodies, or airborne allergies from pollen or dust. But these can be cured by proper treatment, diagnosis, and cure. Asthma. Asthma is caused when inhaled particles from the air or the components that thickens our airways to lungs. It is most commonly seen in children. Cancer. Cancer is a disease of abnormal and uncontrollable cell growth and proliferation. It is one of which is the capacity for cancer cells to avoid immune destruction. And old cells do not die and instead grow out uncontrollably, forming new abnormal cells. These extra cells may form a mass of tissue called tumor. These cancers can be cured easily nowadays due to the improved medical skills. Transplants. We know about organ transplants. These include power of immune system too. And vaccines. We know that vaccines contain inactive form of pathogens. They help learn our body how to fight against the foreign pathogens. They form memory cells in our body, and they teach our body to fight against pathogens by creating antibodies against them. Then let's know about the immune system properly. The immune system keeps a record of every microbe it has ever defeated in type of white blood cells known as memory cells. This means it can recognize and destroy the microbe quickly if it enters the body again before it can multiply and make you feel sick. The immune system is a complex network of cells and proteins that defends the body against the infection. The immune system keeps a record of every germ it has ever defeated, so it can recognize and destroy the microbes quickly if it enters the body again. Let us know about the parts of immune system. These are the parts of the immune system: white blood cells, antibodies, complement system, lymphatic system, spleen, bone marrow, thymus. These are the lymph nodes, appendix, spleen, Peyer's patches, and some of the organs of immune system. And these are the types of blood cells. As we know about our immune system, nowadays we should know about how to boost our immune system. And these are the basic ways to boost our immune system. Smoking is the main cause why we lose immunism. So smoking should be prohibited. Eat a diet high in fruits and vegetables. We know mostly vitamin C, D, these help improve our immunity, and fruits and vegetables contains a large of vitamin and minerals, so we should include them in our daily diet. Exercise regularly. Exercising regularly improves our body metabolism, maintaining a healthy weight. Maintaining a healthy weight is good. If you drink alcohol, drink only in moderation. Yep. Get adequate sleep. Getting a good sleep is important as we have to work every day. Take steps to avoid infections such as washing your hands frequently and cooking meats thoroughly. Washing our hands frequently. This is very important in our day-to-day life. Washing our hands with soap for like 20 seconds. And we should minimize stress. Minimizing stress can cause a lot of influence on our immune system because it is our mental strength, and having more stress we may become weak. So we should prefer things like yoga and music which keeps us calm. And let's go to the conclusion. Having a good immunity is must because we should have the ability to fight against the diseases and keep good health. During the times of spread of diseases like COVID-19, swine flu, etc., we must have a good immunity to fight against them without being worried for vaccine. Having a good immunity is important, so we should be healthy. We can fight against the diseases and all ill-being with a good immunity. So I hope this helped you to learn something about immunology and immune system and how to improve our immune system. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day, and thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in other videos. Bye.